Hello students, in this video we'll discuss about the physical significance of electric field. So what do you mean by the term physical significance? Physical significance means the importance. Is it so important to discuss about this electric field? Yes. First of all, what is this electric field? Is it something related to the matter? Is electric field composed of matter? No. So if you look at any charge, which is placed or which is present in a region, for example, if I take a positive charge which is present here, now this charge, it is going to set up some region, it is going to set up certain region, so till where this charge influence can be seen. Right. For example, if I take one more charge, and I am taking it as this charge as Q, let it be charge Q. Right. Here, if I take one more charge plus Q only, that is Q naught, whenever I am bringing this charge near to it, what can be seen? We can see that there is a repulsion between these two charges. In spite they are at a certain distance, then also we can see the influence of this charge on this charge, the charge which is nothing but Q naught. Now the charge Q naught, it is going to experience some sort of force. It can be either attractive force or repulsive force based on this charge. If it is a positive charge, so the charge whatever we are bringing, it is going to experience the repulsive force. Right. If it is a negative charge here, if it is a negative charge, then if you are bringing this charge towards it, this charge is going to experience a attractive force. Right. So attractive force or repulsive force, it is based on the type of charge whatever we are considering here. Right. Here you may get one doubt. So why only this charge is having certain region or boundary till where it can experience or till where it can create the region, so till where its influence can be seen? Why not this small charge, that is Q naught? The reason is here the Q naught charge, which we will call it as test charge, its mass is taken to be very negligible, or the size of Q naught, it is taken to be negligible. Right. This is Q naught charge, the charge Q naught whatever we are considering. So it is having negligible mass. It has negligible mass, and size also, negligible mass and size. So that's why the region or the electric field whatever is produced due to this test charge Q naught, it is negligible. So that's why we don't consider the electric field whatever is produced due to this test charge. So here, what are the properties of test charge? A test charge is a charge which is used only for testing. It is used only for testing the presence of this electric field. So that's why what we are doing is, here the test charge whatever we are considering its mass and size to be negligible. It is nearly equal to 0, but it is not actually 0, it is nearly equal to 0. Right. So what is the physical significance of electric field means? So it is an imaginary concept. So even though it is an imaginary concept, its presence cannot be neglected. Okay. So if you look at this electric field, it is very important in understanding the electrostatic phenomena. To understand it in a nice way or a proper way, we need to have this concept of electric field. Right. So this is regarding the physical significance of the electric field. Thank you, children.